iPhone says wallpaper limit reached. Your iPhone says wallpaper limit reached. Here is how to fix it. Guys, fixing your iPhone wallpaper limit reach is very simple. All you have to do, guys, is to open your iPhone like this. Then make sure it comes up and tap on it. Then enable your iPhone like this. Then tap on it for a few seconds. Then here you have access to the wallpaper. Let's say you want to remove this one, just swipe it off like this, then tap on this delete button, then tap on delete this wallpaper. Then try and do the same thing for this one. Tap on delete and remove the wallpaper. So if you try all these and you want to add another wallpaper to your iPhone by tapping on this plus button and since it cannot be carried out, then don't panic. Just follow simple instruction. All you have to do, guys, is to first restart your iPhone. And to first restart your iPhone is very simple. Tap the volume up, volume down, then tap the power button and wait for it to come up and go down and brings out the Apple logo again. Then remove your hand from the power button. So by doing that, guys, the wallpaper again will be able to function very well. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.